First alert on KALK 97.7.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunt County in north-central Texas, northern Hopkins County in north-central Texas, Delta County in north-central Texas, southern Lamar County in north-central Texas, southern Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pattonville to 6 miles southeast of Honey Grove to near Randolph, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Commerce, Leonard, Cooper, Honey Grove, Wolf City, Celeste, Roxton, Trenton, Merritt, Cooper Lake, Randolph, Bonham State Park, Big Creek Lake, Cooper Lake State Park, Pattonville, Klondike, Ladonia, DePort, Tyra, and Bailey. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.